The United States has finally tested its long-awaited State Route 72 hypersonic aircraft after the successful aircraft called State Route 71 Blackbird. The State Route 72 hypersonic aircraft has been revealed in all its glory in a successful test flight on June 20, 2023, at Edwards Air Force Base in California. This aircraft is capable of flying at a breathtaking Mach 6, which is 6 times of the speed of sound. The State Route 72 is powered by a pioneering scramjet engine, which ignites fuel using shock waves created by its high speed. The State Route 72 has a range of over 10,000 miles and can reach altitudes of over 80,000 feet. The test flight was a momentous occasion that marked a significant milestone in the creation of hypersonic aircraft technology. Initial reports have confirmed that the State Route 72 performed beyond expectations, and the data gathered will be used to refine the design further. The State Route 72 is projected to be fully operational at early 2030, and it's expected to support intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. However, its speed and impressive range will also make it difficult for enemy air defenses to intercept. This is undoubtedly a huge development in modern warfare and puts the USA at the forefront of hypersonic aviation. The development of State Route 72 is a sign of the United States' commitment to hypersonic technology. Hypersonic aircraft have the potential to revolutionize warfare. And the United States is not the only country developing these weapons. China, Russia, and other countries are also working on hypersonic aircraft. The testing of the State Route 72 is a reminder that the United States is still a leader in aerospace technology. The aircraft's capabilities will give the United States a significant advantage in the future of warfare. What are the challenges of developing hypersonic aircraft? There are a number of challenges associated with developing hypersonic aircraft. One challenge is the need to develop new materials that can withstand the high temperatures and pressures generated at hypersonic speeds. Another challenge is the need to develop new engines that can efficiently power these aircraft. The State Route 72 Hypersonic Aircraft Engine. The State Route 72 hypersonic aircraft is designed to be powered by a turbine-based combined cycle propulsion system. The TBCC system consists of a turbine engine and a dual-mode ramjet. The turbine engine will provide thrust for takeoff and acceleration to Mach 3, while the ramjet will take over at hypersonic speeds. The turbine engine is a modified version of the Pratt & Whitney J58 engine that powered the State Route 71 Blackbird. The J58 is a turbofan engine that uses both air and fuel to create thrust. The turbine engine will be used to accelerate the State Route 72 to Mach 3, at which point the ramjet will take over. The ramjet is a type of jet engine that uses the forward motion of the aircraft to compress the air entering the engine. The compressed air is then mixed with fuel and ignited, creating thrust. Ramjets are very efficient at hypersonic speeds, but they cannot operate at subsonic speeds. The dual-mode ramjet in the State Route 72 will be able to operate at both subsonic and hypersonic speeds. This is achieved by using a bypass system that allows the turbine engine to provide thrust at subsonic speeds. The bypass system will be closed at hypersonic speeds, allowing the ramjet to operate on its own. The TBCC propulsion system is a very complex and challenging technology. However, it is the only way to power an aircraft that can reach Mach 6. If the TBCC system is successful, it will revolutionize the way we travel. Here are some of the challenges of developing a TBCC propulsion system. The turbine engine and ramjet must be able to operate seamlessly together. The materials used in the engine must be able to withstand the extreme heat and pressure of hypersonic flight. The engine must be lightweight and fuel efficient. Despite the challenges, There is significant progress being made on the development of TBCC propulsion systems. Lockheed Martin and Aerojet Rocketdyne are currently developing a TBCC engine for the state Route 72 Hypersonic Aircraft. If successful, the TBCC engine will be a major breakthrough in aerospace technology.